So hello ma'am, I am Harvey Sebastian D. Palmero, and I'm discussing about production planning and management. This introduction sets the stage for a discussion about operations management in the food and agribusiness industry. It explains that this field involves managing the processes used to create both goods and services. While traditionally focused on man- manufacturing operations, management now applies to service industries as well. The text focuses on two areas within the food and agribusiness: production planning, covered in Chapter 14, and supply chain management, covered in Chapter 15. These areas are essential for making decisions about everything from the job design to transportation. This passage traces the evolution of operations management, highlighting how it has significantly impacted by technological advancements. From Taylor's initial work, the field saw a surge of research, further propelled by the development of computers in 1940s. This led to the introduction of various tools and techniques like linear programming, production scheduling models, and materials requirement planning or MRP. The 1980s and 1990s saw the integration of robotics and computer-aided systems. The passage concludes by emphasizing the importance of production planning within operations management, which involves making critical decisions about quality, plant location, capacity, and more. This passage introduces the concept of supply chain management as a key component of operation management. It explains that supply chain management is closely linked to the production planning and involves making decisions about various aspects of the production process, from planning and scheduling to purchasing, inventory transportation. This passage introduces the concept of supply chain management as a key component of operations management. It explains that supply chain management is closely linked to production planning and involves making decisions about various aspects of the production process, from planning and scheduling to purchasing, inventory, transportation, and distribution. The passage emphasizes that both production planning and supply chain management are essential for effective operation management and must be considered together. So this passage highlights the increasing importance of the service sector in the U.S. economy, which now comprises a majority of GDP. While operation management originally focuses on manufacturing, its principles are now applied to both manufacturing and service industries. The passage contrasts good producers who create tangible products with service providers who offers intangible services. It also notes the key differences between the two sectors, such as higher level of customer interaction and the need for quick response